Yeah, we got a wild, crazy police chase video for you today. Get that popcorn ready. Because you know what time it is. It's time for the legendary. I said it's time for the legendary Hellkillians. That's right, the Hellkillians are in the building. A Charger Hellkillian. That means we got a Chargigian Hellkillian out here acting a bona fide fool. Can the boys in blue calm this wild, crazy Hellkillian down? Or will the Hellkillian take that mighty foot, douse it with gasoline, and run through hellfire, trying to make the boys in blue look like clowns? Let's have a reaction. Action! It's sinister police chase time. Let's get it. Let's see what the Hellkillians is gonna do. We got the officer on the side of the road eating a donut, watching P-Hub with his stinger. Put the P-Hub down, my boy. Okay, oh, there you go, y'all. Yeah, but do. Body on nerve, foot's in hell. Here come my Hellkillian toes, devil. I hope you're ready. Okay, he boogieing. He off the gate. I don't know if he knows if the police is behind him yet. The police are already at 90 miles an hour speed limit, top right corner for those who want to know where it's at. You want 113. Sound like he might be in the Hemi. Oh, he said it's a white Hellcat, y'all. So it's definitely a Hellkillian. Wide body Charger, y'all. He must not know he getting chased. He already had his foot all the way down. He already had his foot all the way down, so he probably don't even know the police is behind him yet. He moving too. He trying to get to the masters of the universe. He trying to get over there with He-Man and Battlecat. He want to show He-Man his Hellcat. He definitely up there, but the officer doing 129, 130. That ain't enough to keep up with no Hellcat. Hell, that ain't enough to keep up with a Scat Pack. Is he topping out at 130? Oh, no. That's definitely not going to get the job done, officer. What is he in? He can't even go over 130. What is he in? Is he in an Explorer? Oh, no, you can't be topping out at 130. That's diabolical. Your top speed is 130? I can outrun you on foot. Well, I feel like I can. 130 is fast, but that ain't fast enough to hawk no Hellcat down. Look, that Hellcat way up there. If that's even the Hellcat I'm looking at, it could be a dead gnat or mosquito on the windshield. Yeah, I see the smoke. That's all we can see is the smoke. We can't see the Hellcat. All we can see is the smoke that he's leaving behind. Is that him right there? Ooh. Is that him? Oh, I thought that was him. He opened up in a dimensional rift, a time rift, because he's about to time warp on up out of here, because I don't see him at all. Do y'all see a Hellcat? Okay, I do see a Charger up there. Okay, that's another police officer, so he got 2 stars for sure. But I still don't see no Hellcat. If anybody in the chat see a Hellcat, because you don't 40, so my eyes ain't as good as they used to be. Does anybody see a white Hellcat wide body Charger? Because I don't see one. Oh, they said he jumped off at 83, y'all. Is this in Arkansas? Yeah, this is Arkansas. He jumped off at 83 with his nasty ass. They need to telechopper. Get that snitch bird out immediately. Oh, man, they playing with fire. Hold on now. Y'all gonna hit some innocent people. He definitely was doing over 100. He ain't lying on you. He ain't lying on you. Now, I can't say he lying on you. You definitely was doing over 100, allegedly. I gotta say, allegedly. You had your foot all the way down the devil's throat. You was tickling his guts. I definitely don't see him, though. I don't see him.
If you lost sight, then go ahead and 1022. You got a lot of traffic there.
They said if you lost sight, 1022. You know what the 1022 means. Cut it off. Oh, they said they 1022? Oh, hold on, no. It's another chase?
What direction they go?
Somebody didn't give up, y'all.
Eastbound past the PD on New Hope now.
They caught back up with him? So he got away the first time. They must have caught back up with him. What you still doing riding around? Why are you still riding around, clown?
Southbound 26, southbound 26. Correction, 13, southbound 13th place. 13th Street.
See, that's what's wrong. They can't stop riding. Why do they always do that, man? You get away, you keep riding around. Park the cat and start walking.
South on 13th Street
I don't understand it, man. If I get away, I'm definitely parking that bad boy. I'm going to a park or somewhere and I'm parking it.
What's your traffic like?
They didn't get his plate, so he good. Now, them cameras probably got his plate, but it'll take a while for them to get his plate. And even if they do, they can't say it was him driving. Or her. We don't know if it's a him or a her.
He's going to be going right on Price, going back west on Price, coming towards Dixieland.
Where's he at? Oh, they got a couple of people. That radio going crazy. That radio chatter going crazy.
West on Price, coming up on Dixieland.
Is that him? Yeah!
West on Dixieland, headed south.
Oh my goodness, he tripping. What is this man doing? Why are you still driving? Did he vanish again?
We're going to be going north on Dixieland, passing,
Is that seemed like that might be a red eye, y'all. That might be a red eye Hellcat. He disappeared again. He got a motor from hell. That's a demon special. That's straight from Lucifer. They put it in his motor. Lucifer installed that engine himself.
it's going to be maybe L3.
I know he didn't drive it to no neighborhood. No, bro. What are you? Look at him, y'all. He right there. What are you doing? You ran into a dead end cul-de-sac? Idiot. Idiot. Oh, it wasn't a pookie. It wasn't a pookster. Hector! Hector and Maria! It's Hector and Maria! Y'all thought it was the pookster. It's not the pookster. I thought it was the pookster too, y'all. I gotta keep it 1,000. When I saw him still riding around, I said, that's Pookie. He got a striker. He don't want to give it up. No, it's Hector. He trying to show off for Maria, Maria. You the love of the West Side Story. Maria, come on. You could have told him to stop, baby girl. Maria telling on you too. She telling. And she pretty too. She about to drop all the intel on you, my boy. Maria, we got Doritos back at the station in the interrogation room. Tell us if it's a striker. We know you like hot chips. Tell us if it's a striker. Look at that wad of money he got on him. He got a fat wad, a meat wad on him. Watch them cops, y'all. He tried to put that money in his pocket, man. Allegedly. I gotta say allegedly. Look at him. Oh, then his hat still didn't come off. Get in the back of the car, Hector, with your stinking ass! I can't believe you did that. She said, I hate you. Why is she crying like that? Why is she crying? You ain't going to jail. She said she hate him. Why is she so mad? You ain't going to jail. You didn't do nothing, shorty. Yeah, she telling y'all. She definitely going to the interrogation room. They gonna give her all type of hot stuff, man. That's a nice wide body too. That's definitely a red eye. Why is she crying though? She act like you wasn't driving, baby. You know why you chose a Latino Pookie. You chose a Hector Pookie. Heck-ookie. You chose a heck-ookie. What you mean, why? He did right. I don't want to talk to you, officer, until we get to the interrogation room. If you got the right kind of snacks, I'm gonna be snitching all night. Meet me in the comments. How do you get away and still be out there driving? Come on, Hellkillians. He let you down right there, y'all. He should have parked that car. Him and Maria could have parked that car and they could have walked around. They would have just looked like a young couple walking around having a good time. He could have said, come pick me up. Jesus, come pick me up. You know, slide through, come pick me up. We're going to come back and get the red eye later. We got it right now. The red eye hotter than a tea kettle. The red eye hotter than a firecracker. So we can't drive it right now, but we'll come back and get it later because they want me. I got away. Look at him. Yeehaw! Flying, man. You got away while you still driving around, man. Good. But yeah, man, he definitely represented, though. He got away, but he couldn't stop driving. He felt so good when he got away, he could not stop. And why do you drive into a subdivision that you don't know nothing about? He ran straight to a cul-de-sac. Come on, bro. Come on, man. I can't make this up. We watched it together. I did look at him. Look at Maria. She in the tail. I can just tell. She ain't never been in this type of trouble. You know, she a good girl. But yeah, with that being said, hopefully y'all enjoyed this police chase. If you did like it, matter of fact, like the video. If you're the Werewolf Pack, you automatically gotta like this video, share the video, make sure you comment, as well as if you can find it in your heart. I usually don't like to beg, you know what I'm saying? I don't like to beg, but can you please drop me a couple of those hype points? Because you know I'm a hype point fiend. Fiending for them hype points. But yeah, they definitely listen. Hellkillians, we not holding this against y'all. You did your job. You got away. You got it. Your boy got away in the Hellcat and he got himself captured. How did he get captured? He went into a neighborhood that he didn't know anything about. Diabolical. But with that being said, I gotta leave you with some positivity. You see that watch? You see what that say? It say it's time for you to clean up your act. You hear me? It's time for you to stop hanging with the Pookies, the Hectors, Jesus's, Lee Tongues, and the Chads. And you know what else I'm talking about? Methinas. Negative Nancy's. We gotta stop hanging with them. It's time you get your life together. Get your life together. We gotta stop doing this thing, going round and around and around. Just because your family doing the crazy things don't mean you gotta repeat the cycle. You have the choice to be better. You do. I know it's hard when you got a lot of peer pressure around you. I know it's hard. I grew up in the gutter, so I know. But you gotta want better for yourself. You gotta want to, you gotta want to live this life the right way. Not having to look behind your back all the time. I know what that's like. Not having to do all that stuff. You want to be able to just chill and enjoy life. But you can't enjoy life if you're out here chasing the wrong things. You need to be chasing success, not negativity. Chase success. And hey, don't just chase it, catch it. Because you can catch some success. If you run fast and if you're determined, you can catch a little bit of success. Keep going. Even I'm not where I want to be at in life, but hey, I'm doing the best I can and I'm succeeding. So don't think just because you ain't made it to where you think you're supposed to be, that that's the end of the world. I just told you, even I'm not where I want to be. I'm working towards it. And that's what we gonna do together. We gonna make it happen. If I don't do the right thing, hold my feet to the fire. But with that being said, we do not condone running from the boys in blue in a police chase. Do not get in a police chase in a Dodge Charger Hellcat running from the boys in blue. We do not condone running from the police. Absolutely. I do not want to see you in a police chase and I gotta react to you and I gotta call you musty, stinking, and all that other stuff. But with that being said, if you are gonna be a diabolican, a goofy goofball, you might want to listen to me here. Listen to me. You might want to avoid the cul-de-sac.